Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to follow a channel in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on it and here you should just select the second option, which is channels. And here you can just look up for a channel. Basically you can write in something here, like in this case the Haha channel. You can just find it, you can check it out, and you can see here basically every post that this channel has. And if you want to follow it, you can just press on the follow button down below. You can also press the follow option right next to it when you search it up, but I guess you would likely check out the channel first before you want to follow it. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.